Hello students, let us start with the next module, and in this module we are going to learn a problem based on elementary row or column transformations as per the given problem. The question here is as follows. If the matrix A is this 5, 2, minus 1, 6, B is 0, 1, 0, 1, then find X such that X into A equal to B. Now the solution goes like this. Consider XA equal to B. Now X into A, the matrix given to us, is equal to the matrix B. Now if we recall that post factor A is involved in the column transformation. So XA equal to B is of the form post factor. So for post factor, what we do is we use column transformation. So we are supposed to use column transformation for this problem. So let us start with column transformation, and we will try to convert matrix A to an identity matrix. So applying column transformation. For the column transformation, first of all recall the flow. These are the elements of a 2 by 2 matrix. First we convert A1 1 to 1, then we move to A1 2, then A2 2, and then A2 1. So let us start with the first part. We have XA equal to B as follows. Now to convert this first element to 1. Now how to convert it to 1? Using the column transformation, C1 changes to C1 minus 2 times C2. So we will get the value as follows. X into 5, 2, minus 1, 6 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1, and applying the calculations as follows. Now when we calculate, the new value will turn out to be as X into 1 and minus 13 in the first column on the left hand side. This is equal to minus 2 on the first column on the right hand side. Now after converting the first element to 1, we have to convert A12 to 0. Now to convert this element to 0, we will use the column transformation. C2 minus 2 times C1. So this was the matrix which we had previously. Now after applying the calculations as follows, the new matrix which we will obtain will be X into the new elements of the second column will be 0 and 32 on the left, and the new elements of second column on the right will be 5 and 5. Now after this, the next flow will be as follows. After converting A12, we move on to A22. Now this element here is 32 and we have to convert it to 1. There is a simple method to convert any number to 1, that is divide by the same number. So the elements of column 2 are divided by 32. So after dividing by 32, the elements will be something like this here. Now the new matrix which we obtain will be as follows. X into 0 and 1 in the second column is equal to, on the right hand side we get the numbers as 5 by 32 and 5 by 32. Now moving further, the flow here. Now after converting these two elements, we move to A2 1. So to convert minus 13 to 0. Now how to convert it to 0? Using the column transformation C1 plus 13 times C2. So applying the column transformation as follows on both the matrix here. So the result will be 1 plus 13 into 0 and minus 13 plus 13 into 1 on the left, and minus 2 plus 13 into 5 by 32 and minus 2 plus 13 into 5 by 32. Now on further calculation, the matrix to the left hand side is converted to the identity matrix, and the matrix on right hand side is as follows. Now further calculation gives me the value for the right hand side as 1 by 32 in the first column, 5 by 32 and 5 by 32 in the second column. So we have converted the matrix on left to an identity matrix. Therefore I can say X into I is 1 by 32 common from all the elements, and the matrix is left to 1 5 1 5. So this is the value for X, because X into I gives me the value X. So this is the answer for matrix X. Thank you.